Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to close your PayPal account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official website of PayPal at paypal.com. Log in with your email and password like you normally would. Once you are logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Then tap on Settings. In the Settings page, go to the Account tab. Now scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Close your account. Tap on Close your account and PayPal will ask you to confirm your decision. Just follow the on-screen instruction to confirm and your account will be permanently closed. Make sure you don't have any pending transaction or balance before you do this, as PayPal might not let you close the account otherwise. And that's it. Now you know how to close PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.